Hello, and welcome back to News Nexus. I'm George, your guide through the fascinating corners of science and nature. Today, we're diving into an intriguing question. What's the difference between a solstice and an equinox? You've probably heard these terms when the seasons change, but do you know what they actually mean? Let's explore. To start, the solstices and equinoxes are key markers of our changing seasons. They occur because Earth is slightly tilted on its axis as it orbits the Sun. That tilt, about 23.5 degrees, is the reason we experience seasons at all. If Earth weren't tilted, we'd miss out on the beauty of changing seasons entirely. Every day would be the same, and the Sun would always hover directly over the equator. Pretty boring, right? So how do solstices and equinoxes fit into this picture? They're actually opposites in many ways. Let's break it down, starting with the solstices. There are two solstices each year, one in June and another in December. During these days, the sun's path across the sky reaches its farthest point north or south of the equator. This happens because of Earth's tilt. In the northern hemisphere, the June solstice, around June 20th or 21, marks the start of summer. It's the longest day of the year because the North Pole is tilted closest to the sun. On this day, the sun's rays shine directly overhead at the Tropic of Cancer. The December solstice, around December 21st or 22, is the shortest day of the year and the official start of winter. This time, the South Pole is tilted closest to the sun, and the sun's rays are directly overhead at the Tropic of Capricorn. Of course, in the southern hemisphere, these dates are reversed. While we're soaking up the summer sun in the north, our friends down south are bundling up for winter, and vice versa. Now let's switch gears and talk about the equinoxes. These occur twice a year as well, in March and September. During an equinox, the sun is positioned directly above the equator. This alignment creates a magical balance. Day and night are nearly equal in length all over the world. In March, the equinox, around March 21st, marks the beginning of spring in the northern hemisphere. We call it the vernal equinox. It's a time of renewal and longer days ahead. In September, the equinox, around September 23rd, ushers in autumn. Known as the autumnal equinox, it signals shorter days and cooler weather. So, here's a quick recap for the northern hemisphere. Vernal equinox, March 21st, equal day and night, start of spring. Summer solstice, June 20th or 21. Longest day of the year, start of summer. Autumnal equinox, September 23rd. Equal day and night, start of autumn. Winter solstice, December 21st or 22. Shortest day of the year, start of winter. And remember, the southern hemisphere experiences these in reverse. These celestial events aren't just fascinating. They've been celebrated and studied by cultures for thousands of years. They remind us of our planet's dynamic relationship with the sun and the rhythms of nature that shape our lives. So the next time someone asks about solstices and equinoxes, you'll know exactly what to say. They're not just words on a calendar, they're the cosmic markers of Earth's beautiful dance around the sun. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to News Nexus for more amazing insights into the world around us. I'm George, and I'll see you next time.